called sound effects.
Woo!
Yeah!
Good news, all right. All right. And I'm sorry, and your name was?
Rashonda.
Rashonda, there you go. That's why you went over Rashonda's. All right, and your name? Joseph. All right, well, thank you for coming. We're going to have fun tonight. Now, this is a game you're going to be right here. And we're going to provide sound effects for our actors in this game, okay? So when Rich needs a sound, you'll give him one, and when John needs a sound, I'll provide that for him. So, again, sound effects, location, relationship. At some point, Rich is going to say something like this. Here comes the police. We need a sound of a police car coming. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, awesome. Woo!
And then you go a little bit higher pitch, like or something, or whatever. Okay? All right, good. So we need a location. Where are these two? Italy. Where in Italy? A pizza shop in Italy. I've heard they have a couple of those.
Leaning Tower of Pizza.
At the Leaning Tower of Pisa, you're at the pizza shop. And what's their relationship?
I'm sorry.
Well, one can be a girl.
Oh, yeah, one's a girl and one's a guy.
Yeah. They're romantic. Newlyweds.
Pepperoni experts.
One lady.
Hey, you all are in for a treat because now the entire improv group is going to go crazy with concepts. All right. So here we go. Leaning Tower of Pisa at the pizza parlor. And what are they again? Newlyweds. Go.
John, that tower sure is leaning. Oh, John, it's just wonderful. Oh, puts me into a swoon.
I'm kind of swooning too. I mean, it's not straight or anything. Whoa. Oh, blood pressure gets to me. Hang on.
Oh.
Whew.
This is sound effects.
Stand up for a second.
Okay. You brought your medicine, didn't you?
I did. Hang on. I got it right here. Oh man, it's gotten wet. I brought a spare bottle.
Okay. Maybe if we get some pure. It's a low. You brought the low dose variety. That's great. John.
Excuse me.
This is the quietest sound effects I've ever heard in my life.
You know something? Looks like that tower's just about to fall.
Oh my God!
Oh
my God! It fell!
He crushed that pizza stand.
Oh my God!
Oh look, all the people are coming out to get free pizza.
The salami is all over the place.
Ooh, ha, ha, pizza, ooh, pepperoni, ooh, cheese.
Oh, it's a constabulary. They're just taking pot shots.
Pot.
Oh,
Pot.
It wasn't us! It was him! It was him!
you're still in the air.
My soon-to-be husband! I'm
Up
sorry.
against the wall.
We promised we didn't. Okay, here's the salami. and some Reggiano. That's all we took.
Bring, 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 bring.
And a cash register. I guess you want the cash from the cash register.
I'll give him mine.
You're free to go.
See, in Italy, just give it back and it's okay.
They're so nice.
They are. They're some of the most welcoming people in the world.
Yes. warm and friendly, and they like
Hey,
Americans.
there goes that guy that stole my car.
Uh-oh.
He did it.
It's gonna be kind of hard to get back, seeing as I kind of drove it into the canal. Okay, all right, quick, behind here, behind this bush. Okay.
They'll never see us here.
I see you.
And
Oh no.
we need a distraction. Hang on, I'm gonna keep the bush and see if a bunch of dogs fly out. All right, quick, run that way. Here comes the ducks. Okay, we'll hide behind this bush. They'll never fly.
see us here.
No. You gonna give us away, cat?
I see you.
That is the biggest bulldog I've ever seen. Good thing it's asleep. Just, we're gonna tiptoe this way.
I'm running, John.